NBC4 News at 4 starts now.
And we know with every new development, there are new questions that are emerging, and we are here to help you get answers. Take a look at this. This is our coronavirus phone bank. It is open right now for your calls. These are local health experts who are here. Just call the number here on your screen, 855-622-5248. We'll take you live inside the phone bank room in just a moment.
Randy Mack is live inside of our coronavirus phone bank. Experts are there taking your questions right now. And Randy, a lot of people, including myself, are wondering, what about the babies? What about the kids?
Yeah, there's lots of questions about the immune systems for kids and children. But first of all, let me go ahead and give you the number, 855-622-5248. Let me step out of the way real quick and just kind of show you. We have been taking calls pretty much nonstop, which goes without saying that the coronavirus is on people's minds and they want information about it. These folks have been on the phones ever since we opened this phone bank right at 4 o'clock. And joining me now live is Dr. Ilan Shapiro. He's a pediatrician with AltaMed Health Services. And Ilan, let me go ahead and get you to talk a little bit about kids, because we all of us who are parents send our kids to school perfectly healthy in the morning. They come back sick in the afternoon. As it relates to coronavirus, how at risk are children?
Well, we have the good news that comparing to influenza and other viruses, right now with the COVID-19, the kids seem to be more protected than other times. That means that we still do not know specifically what's the mechanism that is actually defending the kids. We're trying to understand that because we want to use it with adults too.
You mentioned that people who are over 60 who have compromised immune systems are the ones who are at the greatest risk.
Correct. You know, if you have that, you're elderly, you're having problems with diabetes, heart problems, and other problems like COPD, that's problems that you need to be addressing right now with your doctor to make sure that you're taking care of yourself.
Lastly, Dr. Shapiro, you've been answering questions here. What kind of phone calls are you getting? What's the craziest phone call you've gotten thus far?
One of the most interesting ones that it's very important to actually address this is that if this was actually a human-made virus or actually a virus that made by animal, by random chance. Right now we know by testing that it's actually came from 2 different animals and came afterwards to humans. That's why we're worried with this, because when we jump species to humans, we are not used to that virus, and that's why we're so worried right now. And we don't understand yet what's happening, but it's very important to start hearing what's happening with the CDC and the local public health departments.
Excellent. Thank you, Dr. Shapiro, for enlightening us again. All kinds of questions being answered here. So if you have one about coronavirus, the number to call, 855-622-5248. Again, our hotline is going to remain open until 7 p.m. We are taking all your coronavirus questions and trying to give you facts and good answers about how to address this public health crisis. Reporting live upstairs in the phone bank, I'm Randy Mack. Let's send it back to you downstairs in the station.
All right, the all-important facts. All right, Randy, appreciate it. We'll be checking in with you throughout the NBC4 News at 4, 5, and 6.
Yeah, you have pediatricians, infectious disease specialists, emergency room doctors, lots of folks there up until 7 o'clock tonight. Please call the number on your screen.